Welcome back, audio enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the realm of immersive entertainment with the top 5 best home theater systems of 2024. From cutting-edge sound technologies to sleek designs that elevate your living space, these systems redefine the way you experience movies, music, and gaming at home. Join us as we explore the ultimate in audio-visual excellence, curated to bring the cinematic experience right to your doorstep. Number 5. Sony HT-A9. Experience cinematic immersion like never before with the Sony HT-A9 high-performance home theater system. This state-of-the-art system brings entertainment to life with its 360 spatial sound mapping, powered by Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, delivering an unparalleled surround experience. The high-res audio-capable X-balanced speaker units ensure pristine sound reproduction, while immersive audio enhancement transforms regular audio into near 7.1.4 channels, placing you in the center of the action. Not only does the HT-A9 elevate your audio experience, but it also enhances visual clarity with 8K2 and 4K 1203 pass-through, perfect for immersive gaming and movie nights. With a flexible layout and wireless connectivity, the HT-A9 adapts seamlessly to any space, eliminating the hassle of cable management. Stream your favorite content effortlessly via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Chromecast built-in, Spotify Connect, or Apple AirPlay 2. Customize your setup further with 2 subwoofer choices to suit your preferences. Pairing with Bravia allows for convenient control, while voice commands via Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa make operation a breeze. With an intuitive on-screen user interface, adjusting sound settings has never been easier. Priced at $1,499.99, the Sony HT-A9 high-performance home theater system offers premium audio and visual quality, making it a must-have for any entertainment enthusiast. Number 4. Samsung HWQ990D. Introducing the Samsung HWQ990D, the pinnacle of audio excellence in the realm of soundbars. One standout feature is Q Symphony, which synchronizes your Samsung TV and soundbar for a harmonious audio-visual experience. With 11 front-facing speakers and 1 subwoofer and 4 up-firing channels, the HWQ990D fills the room with dramatic and multi-dimensional sound, elevating your entertainment to new heights. Experience truly elevated audio with wireless Dolby Atmos, eliminating the need for HDMI cables while delivering captivating surround sound. The upside-firing rear speakers utilize your ceiling and walls to create dense layers of all-around sound, enveloping you in a cinematic audio experience. With smart integration, the HWQ990D seamlessly connects to your favorite voice assistants and smart services like built-in Alexa, Chromecast, and AirPlay 2. Plus, with SpaceFit Sound Pro, the soundbar adapts to your space for optimal audio performance. For gamers, Game Mode Pro offers an intuitive gaming experience with 3D-optimized sound, immersing you deeper into your favorite games. Priced at $1,799.99, the Samsung HWQ990D is the epitome of premium audio quality and versatility, making it a must-have for any home entertainment setup. Number 3. Klipsch KD Series. Introducing the Klipsch KD Series home theater system, a testament to Klipsch's legacy of delivering top-notch audio performance with a sleek and contemporary design. Crafted with precision and care, the KD Series features Klipsch's renowned dorm tweeter technology and ensuring crystal-clear highs and detailed audio reproduction. Coupled with high-efficiency low distortion, and the system deliver a dynamic soundstage that brings your favorite movies and TV shows, music, and gaming to life. One of the standout features of the KD series is its movie theater quality bass, which adds depth and richness to every sound. Whether you're watching an action-packed blockbuster or immersing yourself in the latest video game release, and you'll feel every explosion and rumble and musical note with unparalleled clarity and impact. Designed and engineered in the USA, and the Klipsch KD Series home theater system is a testament to Klipsch's commitment to quality and innovation. Priced at $2,599, it offers exceptional performance and value for discerning audio enthusiasts looking to create the ultimate home entertainment setup. Number 2. Klipsch Reference Premier Series. Introducing the Klipsch Reference Premier Series, and a groundbreaking upgrade in home audio technology. Crafted with precision and passion, these speakers are designed to deliver unparalleled sound quality and immersive surround sound. One of the key highlights of the Reference Premier Series is the vented tweeter design, crafted from furniture-grade materials. With the Klipsch RP500SA2 surround speakers, and you have the option to add Dolby Atmos immersive sound to your Reference Premier floor standing speakers effortlessly. Alternatively, option for the RP8060FA, equipped with built-in Dolby Atmos speakers for a seamless audio experience. Experience bigger and better sound with the larger 90° x 90° silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn, which efficiently transfers high-frequency waves for crisp and clear audio reproduction. The all-new CRAM metallic woofers and Tractrix port further enhance the sound quality, delivering deep, impactful bass. Featuring aluminum feet for floor standards and removable grills, and improved input panels, the Reference Premier Series offers both style and functionality. Priced at $2,999, the Klipsch Reference Premier Series is a testament to Klipsch's commitment to innovation and quality, providing audio enthusiasts with an unmatched listening experience. Number 1. Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6. Enter the realm of unparalleled audio excellence with the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 home surround sound system. This masterpiece of audio engineering sets a new standard, redefining what you can expect from home entertainment. With Dolby Atmos technology, the Dragon 11.4.6 delivers an immersive audio experience that transports you into the heart of the action. Featuring an impressive array of 31 speaker drivers, including quad subwoofers and 7 air motion tweeters, and this system produces rich or dynamic sound with astonishing clarity. Weighing in at 120 pounds and boasting 3,000 watts of power with a maximum output of 125 decibels, and the Dragon 11.4.6 ensures that every sound is reproduced with precision and impact. Its 15 digital amplifiers optimize audio performance and delivering a truly cinematic experience. Equipped with OmniMotion wireless surrounds and the perfect height mechanism, and this system create a captivating sound stage that envelops you from every angle. With 6 height speakers and adaptive height dispersion technology, the Dragon 11.4.6 ensures immersive audio regardless of your seating position. Priced at $3,899, the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 is a testament to Nakamichi's dedication to innovation and quality. Elevate your home entertainment experience to new heights with this extraordinary surround sound system. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 best home theater systems of 2024. From immersive sound technologies to sleek designs, these systems redefine home entertainment. Elevate your audio-visual experience today and bring the cinematic magic right into your living room. Don't forget to subscribe for more.